Did you know that you can make money in the internet? Yeah, that's good. And all you need is a smartphone and a computer with the internet access. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how internet brings huge active and passive income. The ways to make money on the internet are numerous, and savvy entrepreneurs can reap considerable profits from deploying a solid web-based business model. Not every business lends itself well to the web, but a few industries have proven to be quite successful online. Common ways to make money with an internet business include collecting advertising revenue, selling products or services, and building an online marketplace. 1. Collect advertising revenue on your website. Advertising can turn any popular website into a cash machine. Certain types of websites lend themselves to online advertising more than others. Content-driven websites, such as news sites and discussion forums, can leverage internet advertising more than professional consultants, for example, solicit individual companies to sell advertising space, or take advantage of an online ad placement service, such as Google's AdWords. Most common ways to make money with your website are: A. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular, not to mention quickest, ways to make money from your website or blog. Statista predicts that in 2022, companies will spend approximately $8.2 billion on affiliate marketing. B. Pay-per-click advertising. Google AdSense, AdWords are the advertisements that show up on the top of Google search result pages. AdSense is the reverse, allowing publishers to tap into Google's immense advertising network so that other advertisers can run ads on their website. The best part about this system is how simple everything is. C. Sell. Ad space. Incorporating Google's AdSense on your website is just one way to make money from online advertisements. D. Sell your own digital product, ebook for example. You have the potential to make the most money on a per-sale basis when you can sell your own directly. E. Accept donations from visitors. If you don't have a ton of monthly visits, but you do have a strong, engaged community, simply ask your readers to donate. 2. Use your website to sell things. On your website, you can sell things. This approach is simple in theory, but it can be difficult to master. Online merchants confront a number of concerns and challenges that their brick-and-mortar rivals do not. For online shops, dependable distribution is critical. Your delivery dates and reliability can make or destroy your business through word-of-mouth advertising. Another issue that internet retailers confront is keeping track of orders and ensuring that they are packaged and dispatched correctly. 3. Customers can use internet-based services. A variety of services can be supplied online, as well as a variety of service delivery methods. For example, consulting firms may utilize their websites only as marketing tools to connect with new clients. Others, such as web designers, may be able to take orders and provide services entirely online. According to research, the importance of internet-based customer service systems, ICSS, is explained by the fundamental shift that has occurred in customer service delivery. In 1986, Schmenner defined a matrix of service processes based on two dimensions: interaction customization and labor intensity. More recently, in an attempt to minimize costs, organizations have reduced the labor intensity of service provision by lowering the level of interaction and customization. In the airline industry, for example, established carriers have reduced costs by lowering the level of customization and interaction with their customers and decreasing labor intensity to compete with ticket prices offered by no-frills airlines. Organizations looked forward to technology to help them increase customer satisfaction. We define this new form of technology as Internet-Based Customer Service Systems, ICSS. 4. Use a subscription-based company strategy to generate revenue. The consistent nature of recurring revenue is what makes the subscription revenue so popular, even with businesses you wouldn't expect. Companies have launched subscription models for all kinds of products and service. Kinds of businesses use a subscription revenue model. Access to content like videos, musics, books, and membership sites. Access to services like SaaS, utilities, insurance, and leasing. Establish and upsell strategies. 5. Use a skimming business strategy to make money. A viable internet business model is to create an online marketplace and bring customers and sellers together. Websites like half.com and ebay.com, for example, do not sell goods or services directly. Instead, they connect buyers and sellers and make a profit by skimming a percentage of each transaction. This can be a very profitable business concept, but it requires a lot of work. A really unique marketplace that fills a gap in the market. You can make ton of money in the internet. For that say, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable the notification, and I'll see you in the next video.